Hey YouTube family, it's Jerome, your sales manager over here at Kelly Nissan, and I'm super excited. A lot of customers inquire about this one thing that I'm going to show you, which is a quick, easy fix. And you know what that is? It is your key. A lot of customers inquire about the battery and how to use it and how to change the battery to their key. So you just simply need something as small as a flat head screwdriver. And so you take the key, and there's a little button on the back end that you push in and you pull it out. Voila! This is the second key that actually goes inside of the door. This is going to be on any model key like this, or if you have a 22 or higher, the key's more square, you're going to be able to do the same thing. And so let me simply show you how simple it is to change the battery on the key so that you can get in your car and keep driving. You simply just take the flathead screwdriver, and it inserts right here, and you just turn. And once you turn, it slightly opens and pops the key out. And you just simply do that on the other side, and it pops it out. And then there's your battery. You take your battery, you push your battery out, and then you replace it, drop it right back in, and then just simply close the key. And so now you'll be able to get where you got to go to and from work. But a lot of people inquire about how to change the battery. You can simply get your battery here at our parts department that's open from 9 to 5. And you can simply call 708-499-1000, inquire, come on in, and one of us will be able to assist you. So I'm excited about that. And congratulations on changing your own battery.